got scars, wounds it never meant. Still cries for credit card. What those thieves and cowards did to him. She's been bucked and through time or two, landed on her face. But she gets up, dust off, and enters that next race. She keeps hanging on to the dream she's always known. For the glory, damn the pain, holds it all within them reins. She is country tough, and there's no giving up. From her boots down to her precious letting go. Her heart is a rodeo. Plays it to the bone, gives her all, even when that barrel tips and falls. Taught to always hold that head up, high and tall. All leads up to the time they make. With every step the wild horse takes, it's a gamble she can handle. Sees her leap of faith, she keeps hanging on to the dream she's always known. For the glory, damn the pain, holds it all within them reins. She is country tough, and there's no giving up. From her boots down to her precious letting go. Her heart is a rodeo. She keeps hanging on to the dream she's always known. For the glory, damn the pain, holds it all within them reins. She is country tough, and there's no giving up. From her boots down to her precious letting go. Her heart is a rodeo. 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 I don't need another turn to cry, no. I don't wanna learn the hard way. Baby, hello, oh no, goodbye. But you got me like a rocket, shooting straight across the sky. It's the way you love me. It's a feeling like this. It's centrifugal motion. It's perpetual bliss. It's that pivotal moment. It's impossible. This kiss, unstoppable. This kiss. Cinderella said to Snow White, how this love gets so off course. Oh, all I wanted was a white knight with a good heart, soft touch, fast horse. Ride me off into the sunset, baby, I'm forever yours. It's the way you love me. It's a feeling like this. It's centrifugal motion. It's perpetual bliss. It's that pivotal moment. It's unthinkable. This kiss, unsinkable. This kiss. You can kiss me in the felt the wind come rolling in, smelt the rain. It's so very fine. Then the mountains rose up across the great plains, and all the angels up in heaven started singing. All it's missing is a pretty thing. Let there be cowgirls for every cowboy, make them strong as any man. Lordy, something you can't tame. She's a Mustang, the heartbeat of a heartland. She's got a draw, y'all. Yeah, she's the salt of the earth that rocks my world. Let there be cowgirls, y'all. He met me back in '68. The first time I met her, I was nearly 8. She was 10. Her name was Little Kaylin. She was born to a farmer who was friends with my father. I was in love with the sharecropper's only daughter, and thought I was in. It made me think again. But when I turned 16, I thought it couldn't get worse. I saw her riding on a horse and fell in love so bad it hurt. Let there be cowgirls with every cowboy, make them strong as any man. Lordy, something you can't tame. She's a Mustang, the heartbeat of a heartland. She's got a draw, y'all. Yeah, she's the salt of the earth that rocks my world. Let there be cowgirls. Some shoes on my 2 bare feet, and it's getting kinda cold, and it's painted on cut-off jeans. I hate the way this bikini top shapes. Do I really have to wear it all day? Yeah, baby. I hear you over there on your tailgate whistling, saying, hey girl, but you know I ain't listening. 'Cause I got a name, and to you it ain't pretty little thing. Honey, oh baby, it's driving me redneck crazy. Being the girl in the country song, how in the world did it go so wrong? Like all we're good for is looking good for you and your friends on the weekend, nothing more. We used to get a little respect, now we're lucky if we even get to climb up in your truck, keep our mouth shut and ride along, and be the girl in a country song. Well, shaking my money maker ain't never made me a dime, and there ain't no sugar for you in this shaker of mine. Tell me one more time, you gotta get you some of that. Sure, I'll slide on over, but you're gonna get slapped. These days it ain't easy being that girl in a country song. How in the world did it go so wrong? Like all we're good for is looking good for you and your friends on the weekend, nothing more. We used to get a little respect, now we're lucky if we even get to climb up in your truck, keep our mouth shut and ride along, and be the girl in a country song. Yeah, 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 baby. Oh no, Conway and George Strait never did it this way back in the old days. Oh, we ain't a cliche, that ain't no way to treat a lady like a girl in a country song. How in the world did it go so wrong? Like all we're good for is looking good for you and your friends on the weekend, nothing more. We used to get a little respect, now we're lucky if we even get to climb up in your truck, keep our mouth shut and ride